Good afternoon, all present here. I welcome you all to this wonderful session. 121 years back, there were two brothers who were ambitious and curious. They wanted to invent some things. They had a plan, like they dreamed of making a machine that can fly in the air. They studied about birds, how they flew, and made models, tested their models, and did lot of experiments. On December 17, 1903, exactly 121 years back, Wright brothers made a history by flying the first airplane. The names are Orville and Wilbur. Orville was the pilot and Wilbur was the helper. The flight lasted just 12 seconds. First flight was just 12 seconds and 120 feet. They made 3 more flights that day, each one longer than previous one. The longest flight was 59 seconds in 852 feet. This was the first flight which was invented by them. They did not stop here. They improved the design and made more planes around the world, and they are known around the world for their invention. They showed that anything is possible if you have curiosity, creativity, and perseverance. They considered as the fathers of modern aviation. So just the introduction about aviation. Let's dive into the topic. How India plans to expand its aviation sector its more. I'll just explain you. We had a budget on 1st February, right? 2024. India aims to boost aviation with more infrastructure and connectivity. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced plans to double the number of airports in India to 149 by 2024, along with introducing 517 new air routes to cater to the increasing demand in the aviation sector. She got rupees 3,103.36 crore for the Civil Aviation Ministry. For the Civil Aviation Ministry. She extended the UDAN scheme, which aims to improve regional connectivity and economic development, to develop over 50 new airports in 2024. Heliports, water, aerodromes, and advanced landing grounds. She encouraged the manufacturing of aircraft components within the country to boost the domestic aviation industry, create more job opportunities, reduce dependence on imports. She said that Amex have placed records orders for more than 1,000 aircraft and added that the aviation sector has been galvanized in the last decade. The challenges faced by the aviation sector includes high fuel prices, taxation, regulatory hurdles, infrastructure constraints, and environmental concerns. The industry expects financial support, incentives, and reforms from the government to overcome these issues and ensure sustainability. Thank you so much.